Hi everybody, it's Nikki and I'm here to do another video that's my personal experience, not to be used as medical advice. This one actually has nothing to do with the 670G, but since I've done a couple videos that had nothing to do with the 670G and I have a couple subscribers now, I figured I would update you guys and let you know what I'm up to because I'm not on my 670G right now. It's temporary. I don't plan on staying off of it, but after 12 years of pumping and a pretty tough year, that's the truth, I felt like I just needed a break. I would not have done it alone because I would have killed myself, but and my endocrinologist has not participated because she didn't know. But I did it in a very safe way, and that is over at FUD, who I also call FU Diabetes. They are helping me figure out my rates and everything else. And what started as a 1-week pump break, and that's truly all it was, has turned into a Levemir project, as my friend Eric says. So I'm gonna complete my Levemir project, hopefully over the next week or two, learn a lot, pin down my rates, figure it out on this end, and then I'll return to my 670G. So I was updating people and just letting everyone know, and all you toddlers, because there's always that chance. And I would like to say that it's been very nice being MDI. I am surprised about that. It's been 12 years since I've done it, and I thought it was going to be a real burden, and it's turned out not to be a burden at all. There are things I miss about my pump, a few, but they are some very nice things. However, I'm learning how to live without them, and that's nice too. So I'm looking forward to the future where I can kind of go on the pump and come off the pump whenever I feel like I need this little break. So that's it. And then I wanted to say that my plan is to return to the 670 sometime over the next week or two, or however long that's going to take. Go into manual mode for enough time for manual mode to remember who I am, and for auto mode to collect its data. And then I'm going to give Medtronic a call, hopefully a very nice call, and just say, can you give me your most recent, newest, shiniest advice on what to do in auto mode? And after they have told me that I've collected enough in manual mode, then I'll try to go back into auto and let her rip and see what happens. And I'm trying to go in with 0 expectations because that's how I went in the first time, but I also went in with 0 skills. So who knows? I'm trying to think if there was anything else I wanted to say. That's it. I wanted to let you guys know that I am shooting up, but I will return to the pump. And I am continuing to work on first day sensor activity because I am wearing my Guardian even while I'm disconnected. And it's continuing to do all of its little tricks, but it's already suspended, so I'm not getting as mad. And what else? And then I'm looking at my calibration factor, of course. But that's forever. So anyway, that's it. I hope you guys are having a great weekend, and thanks for watching. Bye.